Whether you love it or hate it, cleaning your home can be an incredibly time-consuming process. That's why we've gathered together some of the most amazing cleaning inventions you will ever see. These incredible gadgets and tools will cut your cleaning time down to nothing and give you back more of your day. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you can keep up to date with all our latest and most exciting content. Number 10. Drill Brush Attachment Set. Scrubbing away at tough marks or grime can be a time-consuming and tiring chore. Drill Brush is a specially designed attachment set that gives your cleaning the dirt-busting power of a cordless drill. The Drill Brush Attachment Set takes a regular cordless drill and transforms it into a super-powered cleaning tool. These high-quality brushes have been designed to fit all standard cordless drill chucks, meaning that regardless of which brand you own, the drill brush is sure to be compatible. There are 3 different sizes of drill brush attachments available, each one suited to specific cleaning tasks. Cleaning something tougher than usual? Don't worry, the drill brush attachment set is available in 4 different stiffness grades. These brushes use high-quality nylon bristles that make short work of even the toughest dirt. Drill Brush is ideal for the disabled and elderly who don't have the strength to scrub away at hard-to-shift patches of grime. These turbocharged brushes will give you results in moments instead of hours of cleaning. Number 9. Karcher K4. Outdoor dirt can be incredibly hard to shift by hand, and you might think that some of it is even impossible to get rid of. That's not the case with the Karcher K4. This high-powered, full-control pressure washer takes the toughest dirt you could throw at it and completely obliterates it. It doesn't matter whether the muck has been there for months or even decades, the Karcher K4 can deal with it. The full-control spray gun allows precise operation of the Karcher K4. You get direct feedback from pressure settings, which allows you to make sure your pressure is right for the surface you're cleaning. An LED display provides you with pressure readings at a glance. Adding detergents and other cleaning chemicals is not a hassle with the Karcher K4. A simplified plug-and-clean system allows you to quickly and efficiently pipe in your chosen cleaning additives. The Karcher K4 is incredibly versatile and can be used to clean many different surfaces. It's able to clean sidewalks, walls, fences, cars, bikes, benches, garden equipment, and even more. Number 8. Seedling Tray Washing System. For years, the owners of plant nurseries have struggled with maintaining and cleaning the trays they use to plant seedlings. Every year, thousands of seedlings are planted in these trays. Now, the Seedling Tray Washing System is revolutionizing the way these nursery owners run their operations. This high-powered seedling tray washing system is fully self-enclosed and uses pressure washing nozzles to remove every last little bit of residual soil. A specially designed conveyor belt feeds the trays directly into the machine before delivering the newly cleaned trays to workers for packing and storage. Other cleaning systems might require you to brush off large pieces of dirt or knock out the trays, but the Seedling Tray Washing System is capable of taking care of all of that for you. The Seedling Tray Washing System can save hours of expensive and back-breaking man-powered cleaning. It's capable of washing up to 2,000 trays per hour. While plant nursery owners may have struggled with their seedling trays before, the Seedling Tray Washing System has made those woes a thing of the past. Number 7. Falsh Surface Worker 250. Next up on our list is an immense invention for when conventional pressure washers just can't bring the power. Allow us to introduce you to the Falsh Surface Worker 250. While standard consumer pressure washers are capable of delivering some impressive results, the Falsh Surface Worker 250 is up to 600% more effective than those home-use washers. If you've ever seen a pressure washer injury, you'll know just how badly that concentrated blast of water can hurt the human body. That's why the Falsh Surface Worker 250 features remote operation, allowing the user to safely control the machine from a distance. Even though it towers above traditional pressure washer units, the Falsh Surface Worker 250 is actually incredibly lightweight for its size. It weighs in at a very reasonable 440 pounds. Even more impressive is that this highly portable unit can be disassembled to allow all of the components to fit through manholes up to 23 inches in diameter. Whether you're cleaning a sewer or commercial premises, there's no doubt that the Falsh Surface Worker 250 is the optimum tool for the job. Number 6. Brush Hero. Cleaning the rims of your car can be a thankless job. Brake dust and road dirt buildup just don't come off as easily as anyone would like. Now, you no longer have to waste time using inconvenient hand cleaning tools. The Brush Hero is here to save the day. This cleverly designed unit uses no external power at all to provide the brush rotation. Instead, it makes use of the water pressure from your hose to drive the brush and keep it spinning. Many powered cleaning methods are harsh and way too abrasive to use on a lot of surfaces. But the Brush Hero's super soft bristles can be used on car paint, windows, and even pets. Need to work on a tougher surface? The Brush Hero lets you swap out the head for one with firmer bristles to take on those stubborn marks. The Brush Hero has been designed to fit into those hard-to-reach gaps and crevices that can be difficult to clean with other methods. Its unique design makes reaching these areas a complete breeze. Number 5. Vax Power Pro Carpet Cleaner. If you have carpeted floors, you're probably no stranger to vacuuming them regularly. But did you know that carpets can retain way more dirt than cannot be removed with a standard vacuum cleaner? Enter the Vax Power Pro Carpet Cleaner. Cleaning a carpet used to require the rental of specialized tools or the hiring of a professional carpet cleaner. But now, the Vax Power Pro Carpet Cleaner has changed all of that. The Vax Power Pro Carpet Cleaner is so good at cleaning carpets because it literally washes your carpet. A large tank holds water and detergent that the Vax Power Pro squirts directly into the fibers of the carpet, loosening dirt and cleaning the material. Getting the shampoo and dirt out of your carpet is no problem at all with the Vax Power Pro Carpet Cleaner. This carpet cleaner features super strong suction that pulls all of the dirty shampoo and water right out of the floor. Whether you love or hate the carpeted floors in your home, the Vax Power Pro Carpet Cleaner sure does make them a lot easier to keep clean. Number 4. Dyson V11 Torque Drive. Regardless of where you live, there's a pretty good chance you own and use a vacuum cleaner to keep your home clean and tidy. Most of us are still using heavy and awkward legacy vacuums that need to be plugged into the wall. The Dyson V11 Torque Drive aims to change that backward way of cleaning and bring your home right into the 21st century. Messy floors might be a problem for traditional vacuums, but the Dyson V11 Torque Drive's rotating brush bar uses a digital motor to deliver 60 rotations per second. These specially designed nylon bristles dig deep into carpets to unseat even the most stubborn dirt. Old vacuums are temperamental and often lead to bashing your head against the wall when you can't figure out what's going on with them. The Dyson V11 Torque Drive actually monitors and reports its own system performance, all in real time. No in-home cleaning job is too big for the Dyson V11 Torque Drive. It includes attachments for every job, such as a high-torque cleaning head, a mini motorized tool, a combination tool, a crevice tool, a mini soft dusting brush, and even a stubborn dirt brush. Number 3. Morris Zero. Trudging down to the laundry room to constantly check on the dryer has got to be one of the worst parts of laundry day. But what if there was a better way? The Morris Zero will change the way you dry your clothes forever. This innovative little dryer sits directly on a kitchen counter, meaning that even people in the smallest of apartments have got space for a Morris Zero. No more communal drying facilities ever again. What's even better is the Morris Zero takes just 15 minutes to dry a load of laundry. It uses a special vacuum dehydration process to dry out the clothes way more quickly than traditional tumble dryers. Say goodbye to heat-damaged clothes. The Morris Zero only dries on low temperatures. Its uniquely designed systems preserve your clothing and prevent damage that can be caused by traditional dryers. Budget-conscious or eco-friendly consumers will be pleased to know that the Morris Zero uses up to 40% less energy than using a tumble dryer. But if that wasn't enough to impress you, the Morris Zero uses an integrated UV light sterilization process to kill up to 99% of bacteria on your clothes without using dangerous chemicals. Number 2. Skater 5 Floor Cleaner. If your patio hasn't been cleaned for a few years, you might not even remember what it looked like when it was first installed. Refresh your memory with the Skater 5 Floor Cleaner and allow it to bring your outdoor surfaces right back to brand new in moments. It can be almost impossible to remove years of dirt and weathering built up from outside paths and surfaces by hand. The dirt becomes so ingrained that you start to think that it's impossible to remove. The Skater 5 Floor Cleaner uses high-powered water pressure to remove that dirt and leave you wondering how you ever let it get so bad in the first place. Don't waste time with consumer-grade pressure washers that may not be able to fully remove the encrusted layers of grime. The Skater 5 Floor Cleaner has no problem taking away layers of even the most solidly set-in-place filth. Totally man-portable and easy to operate, the Skater 5 Floor Cleaner is ideal for personal or single-operator business use. It can even fold down small enough to fit in the trunk of a standard car. Number 1. Dyson 360 iRobot. Not everyone has the time to regularly vacuum their home. In fact, If you live an incredibly fast-paced life, you may find yourself without any time to do it at all. That's where the Dyson 360 iRobot comes in. This tiny little machine autonomously cleans the floors of your home for you, without any need for you to ever pop out the big, clunky vacuum again. The Dyson 360 iRobot can schedule cleaning sessions, analyze data, and even receive commands by taking advantage of the free smartphone app. While robot vacuums are becoming more commonplace, many of them provide weak performance and are unable to thoroughly clean your home. The Dyson 360 iRobot actually has the most powerful suction of any robot vacuum on the marketplace. Utilizing innovative new 360-degree panoramic viewing technology, the Dyson 360 iRobot is able to navigate your home with far greater ease than simpler machines. Uneven surfaces may be a problem for competing products, but this little machine features tank tracks to get wherever it needs to go. Regardless of how you live your life, the Dyson 360 iRobot could save you hours of boring vacuuming and give you more free time to do the things you love. And that's most amazing cleaning inventions you will ever see. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and let us know in the comments what you think. Check out our other videos and subscribe to be part of the fun. Click on the notification icon so you can see our new videos as soon as they're uploaded. That's it for now.